Hello everyone, heartily welcome to SRNQ channel. Aim of this channel is to share the to empower the people by sharing technical knowledge. Today we are going to explain about Delta PLC analog module configuration. It is having two sections, one is theoretical section, next practical section. This class going to cover theoretical as well as practical section. Now we are going to explain about analog input module, that is 06XA. Our module name is 06XA. This is 4 analog inputs, 2 analog output module we are going to configure today. Maximum count of this module is 4000 count, 0 to 4000 count. 0 means 0%, 4000 count means 100%. If you want to monitor tank, example, if you want to monitor the tank 0 level to 100%. If 100% reach, that is going to count 4000. If 0 is the value. These two types of analog signals are available in all PLCs. If you go for a Delta or Mitsubishi or Siemens, AB, all analog signals only two types. It may be 4 to 20 milliamps analog signal, current signal, or 0 to 10 volt. This is a voltage signal. If you go for all application wise, that is pressure transducers, they call it as transducers. If you see, if you want to monitor the flow or pressure, speed, voltage or current, this and all, either 4 to 20 milliamps going to generate a field instrument or otherwise 0 to 10 volt. For example, if you want to monitor one tank level, that is, if you view 4 to 20 milliamps, 20 milliamps is 100%, 4 milliamps is 0 level. If you monitor the speed, if it is 0 to 1440 RPM, 0 is the 0%, 100% is 1440. When it reaches 1440 RPM, it is going to go 100% speed. That is going to generate 20 milliamps. Now, if you see the programming, M1000 is the instruction for a memory bit for the analog module. K0 is the special register. Next, K12 is the control register. D0 is the data register. K1 is the number to be placed. This is about theoretical section. Now we are going to continue practical section, how to configure the module, analog module. We are going to explain about hardware connection of Delta PLC analog module. If you see here, this is one is ground wire, we need to connect to ground, common ground. For 20 milliamps we need to connect, V1, I1 we need to make it short, there we need to connect. This is a channel number 2, we already connected channel number 1. It is having 4 channels, 4 analog inputs, channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4. Then 2 analog outputs, channel 1, channel 2. Now we are going to connect analog input, that is channel 1 we are already connected, V1 and I1 we need to make it short. That short wire we need to connect from the pressure transducer. Thus plus signal we need to make it short, and 0 voltage we need to connect to common ground. This is about hardware. Now we are going to explain how we are going to configure in software. Now we are going to explain about how to configure in software. You need to open Delta DOP soft. Then you come here, analog module configuration. You click it here, analog module configuration, it will come. If you click here, we need to select which module we are going to use. Different modules are there. Now we are going to use 06XA, DVP 06XA. That is 4 analog input, 2 analog output module. You need to click it here. You need to ask for setup. If you go here, we need to select, this is in channel 1. Now we are going to connect channel 1. If you click here, read register, then you need to select memory bit, make it 1000. Next D value it is there. You add to list. You need to click here, add to list. Okay. Then if you see here, all module it is configured. This is M1000. Next data register module number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 channels are connected. If you see here, then we need to go for compile. If compile success come, if you see here, it is compile success means program is okay. Then we need to go for write the program to PLC. Now you can see here. Now it is transferred to PLC. Then we need to go for online mode. You see here. We need to see online. You see here. Yes. It came to online mode. If you see here, 0 to 100% analog input we are going to vary. Now it is 100%. This analog value is showing 3990. Means it is nothing but 4000 count. It is coming for 100%. If it come down, just you reduce it. Now you observe here this value going to reduce. 4000 it is reduced. Now make it 50%. If you see the value, it is near about 2000. Once you made 50%, it will come to 50% near about 2000 this came. Next you make it 25%. You see, automatically value will come down, count value come down 25%. Then make it 0, that is 4 milliamps. When if you make it 0, it is 4 milliamps. Now you can observe this value. Now it is actual value, it is came to 792, it is 4 milliamps. 0 means it is 0. Now like this module we need to configure. This value, analog values, we need to transfer to HMI. There we can make the displays. Thank you for watching. Next class we are going to continue with some practical applications. Thank you.